Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. It retails for 399 rupees and you get 4 grams of product in this, which I feel is a pretty decent price for this bronzer. Coming on to the packaging of this product, it comes in this black slip sort of a packaging. This is what the slip actually looks like, and then this is the actual product, in which this is actually purplish, violetish in color, and this actually has a magnetic flap in this, and this is what the product looks like. The packaging is super small and sturdy, which makes it easy to carry while traveling. The only drawback that I feel about this, actually it's not exactly a drawback, but yeah, I feel that there isn't a mirror on this. If there was a mirror on the packaging, on the flap of this, then that would have been an icing on the cake. It can be survived without that, but if there was a mirror on this, it would have seriously been an icing on the cake with this bronzer. Talking about the pigment and texture of this product, so this is what the pigment looks like. This is a warm brown bronzer that is neither too orange nor muddy, and it is best for people with medium and olive kind of skin tones. I basically happen to like my contours to be a little dark and my bronzing to be a little dark because I happen to have a lot of fat on my face. So if I have dark bronzers, I can create more shadows and hide that part. So that is why I happen to like darker ones. And this one is actually 02 Woody Wonder, which is actually, like I said, best for people with medium to olive skin tones. There is 01 Top Topper as well, which is perfect for lighter skin tones, and then there is 03 Caramel Captain, which is perfect for dark skin tones. 03 Caramel Captain can only be purchased from the official website and application of Sugar. It's not available on any third-party e-commerce websites like Nykaa, Purple, or anywhere where Sugar Cosmetics is available. 03 is not available because they've only made it exclusive. It was a recent launch, which is why it's only exclusive on the Sugar website and their application. So if you have to purchase it, you will have to go there. The links of all the 3 of them, I will be leaving them in the description. If you wish to purchase after actually watching this review, you can go ahead and do that. But 03 you can only purchase from the official website and application of Sugar Cosmetics. Coming on to the review of this product, this bronzer actually works amazing on my face. It gives a really nice chiseled look to my face, also adding a nice warmth to my face. It blends like magic on the face, giving a perfectly sun-kissed and glowing look to the face. Also, while you are blending this on your face, it does not leave any kind of patches as well. This bronzer is highly pigmented, which is why you do not require a lot of product. Also, this is a powder bronzer, which is why it is very soft and lightweight, which does not feel very chalky and does not happen to have any kind of fallout as well. I use this also on my eyelids when I want a very natural look on my eyes, a very warm brown look on my eyes. I use this as an eyeshadow as well, and there is zero fallout. It gives a very nice effect on my eyes as well. This bronzer also happens to have a really nice staying power, or it is very long wearing as well. Once you have applied it on your face, or once you've worn this bronzer, it stays intact for good 6 to 7 hours, and this time period is actually without a setting spray, by the way. With setting spray, it will stay onto your face for good 8 to 9 hours, so that way you don't have to keep retouching this bronzer again and again. You can just apply it once and you can just forget about it and enjoy the natural glowing sun-kissed look to your face. I absolutely love this product, and honestly speaking, this is one of the best purchases that I must have made in regards with a budget friendly product, which is also good and gives a really nice color payout, gives a really nice performance as well. I am highly impressed with this product, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this product at least once, because I can guarantee you that once you try it, it is not going to disappoint you whatsoever. You will fall in love with this because it is not just budget friendly, which is this 399 rupees, but also it is so tiny that it can fit in your vanity pouch easily without taking a lot of space. So that that way you can actually carry this one easily while you are traveling. So that also happens to be a pro. It is highly pigmented. It is all good things, like something that you are actually looking in a bronzer, you will find this except for a mirror. But I mean, ठीक है, वो चीज़ हम एक बार को अगर neglect करें भी तो भी the quality of this is superb, and I would highly recommend you guys to purchase this one. So that's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description. The purchase link of this particular product is also going to be in the description. If this review was helpful to you in deciding whether you want to purchase this product or not, you know where to find the link of it in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.